Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the CAMOLO 75 inches camera tripod. It is a DSLR tripod for travel. It comes with an aluminium finish. It's a camera tripod and not only for cameras. Of course, you can use your smartphone for it. It is possible. It's a camera tripod, a monopod, or a tripod, 2-in-1 with 360 degrees panorama ball head with quick release plate. It's a professional tripod with carry bag, phone mount, and cold shoe. 33-pound load. This is nice, because this is a 2-in-1 tripod and a macro photography device. This aluminium camera tripod can be easily turned into a monopod or a walking stick through the monopod detachment knob. It is a good combination for make videos, for make photos, for use your DSLR cameras, for use your smartphone, or use LED beams, or lightning devices, or so many things are possible if your work or like video and photography. And it is a good companion for us while we are hiking or traveling. We can also invert the telescopic central column for microphotography and low-angle shooting, making us photography more diversified. And the 360-degree panorama ball head. This I like really much, because the ball head adopts the metal structure, CNC machining, anodic, anodized, ultra-high strength aluminum alloy. It's solid and stable, and it's equipped with 360 degrees panorama, if you like, 2 bubble level and 3 knobs for adjustment to meet the needs of accurate photography and panoramic photography too. A 3/8 screw. This is a 3/8 inch screw, holds at the bottom to install a tripod, a monopod, a camera slider, etc. Arca-swiss quick release plate is easy to use, and a 1/4 inch screw on top for installing the camera, the smartphone, the telephone, the telescope, etc. What you like, or an but it is a laser level you should install there too. That's a really good thing, a good tripod for that, for example. I think it's good. It's a multifunction device, you see. It's easy use and durable and portable. This camera tripod adopts the twist locks, allow us to adjust the working height from 22 inches, these are 55 centimeters, up to 75 inches. These are round about 2 meters, 200 centimeters, in seconds, meeting various height demands. The carrying capacity of the twist locks is 3 times that of flip locks. It has better tightening force, of course. It is stronger, has a longer service life, and is more durable than other types of locks out there. The folding size of the 17 inches, 44 centimeters, allows us to easily carry the photography anytime, anywhere, including the carrying bag. And compatibility and versatility. Really big. This tripod for cameras with 1/4 or 1/4 and 3/8 inches screws or connections is compatible with DSLR cameras, action cameras, mirrorless cameras, projectors, and of course other equipment with 1/4 inches or 3/8 inches screw holes. Each leg has an angle adjustment lock, which can adjust the stability of the support to meet our needs on various terrains. The lock can also complete the 180 degrees reverse folding of the tripod easily. And 33-pound load and durability and stability. This is large, heavy durability and stability designed device. The camera tripod for DSLR cams can withstand up to 15 kilograms. These are 33 pounds. Has excellent durability and stability. This lets us get the perfect shot. It is the best companion for photography and videography, and the best choice for professional video makers out there. This is the professional camera tripod, and if you like, a monopod. Lightweight and quickly switched multifunction. Constructed for all aluminium alloy, this camera tripod can be easily converted into a monopod or a walking stick by the monopod detach button. It is a good companion for hiking and traveling. We can also flip the telescopic center column for macro photography and low-angle shooting, adding variety, creativity, and interest to our photography. This camera tripod has twist locks that allow us to adjust the shooting height from 22 inches up to 75 inches in seconds to meet a different height. We can make pictures anytime, anywhere, and easily. We can make vertical shots, we can up shots, overhead shots, low angle shots. We can inverted and low angle shooting is possible. Wide view and multiple length shots, no problem. You can handle it with that awesome tripod here. Friendly with smartphone for shooting. Awesome. Because this portable travel tripod with 1/4 inches and the 3/8 inches screw is compatible with DSLR cameras, action cameras, mirrorless cameras, projectors, and smartphones and other devices. Each leg has a lock for an angle adjustment, which allows us to adjust the stability of the support and the height to meet our needs in different environments. The lock can also release the 180 degrees reverse folding of the tripod. We have all what we need in one device. We have also two different types of feet, a rubber feet and a nail feet. The nail feet, I think, is for outdoor use. The rubber feet is for nearly all locations. Okay, we have twist locks, we have a monopod detachment knob, easy. We have a lag angle adjustment knob, easy. A rubber aluminium alloy, awesome. Tripod legs, freely adjustable, nice. Portable and lightweight, ooh, that's cool. And wide compatibility, really cool. The weight is only 1.64 kilogram. These are 3.61 pound. The load goes from 5 up to 15 kilogram. These are 11 up to 33 pound. The folded height is 44 centimeters. The minimum height is 55 centimeter. The maximum height is 190 centimeter. The material is aluminium and plastic. The product color is black and red. The title range is 90 degrees. The panning range is 360 degrees. We have a quick release plate for Arca standard. The locking tape is a quick twist lock. And we have number of legs for section aluminium. And it's really easy to detach and attach. The tripod is really easy to use. We have the center column knob. We lose the center column knob and adjust the center column to the right height hold. We should please, our camera could be, in case of the adjustment, fallen accidentally, so we have to adjust it first, and then we install the camera. This is the safer way, okay? Then we have a direct takedown to make the first angle. We stretch the angle just lock, cut work, then we fold up the legs easily. And we can extend the first angle. We press down the leg angle adjustment lock first and upward the second angle. We pull it up, job's done. It's really easy, as you can see. We press down the lock and we upward the third angle. That's the way it is. We press down a direction to upward to make the relaxed folded. Pull up, job's done. It's really fast attached, and of course it's really fast detached. We can lock the insert screws. Please make sure that the head of the tripod is totally locking. That is important thing, that your tripod is in center, of course, but your additional parts can be dropped. That's not a good idea. So take care of this attachment, and then you can install everything. And we have a lock and loosen system to replace easily all parts of this device here. It's fast, it's easy, it's awesome, because this is the CAMOLO 75 inches camera tripod. It is a DSLR tripod for travel. It is made out of aluminium. It's a camera tripod, or if you like, a monopod with 360 degrees panorama ball head with quick release plate. It's for professionals out there. It's a tripod with carry bag and phone mount, and cold you 33-pound load. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.